Hello friends, welcome to this session. In this video, I'm going to show about AWS PartyRock. AWS recently launched PartyRock. This PartyRock.aws. This um, website or a UI allow us to build a AI application by using this PartyRock.aws. AWS recently launched this PartyRock, which allow everyone to build a AI application quickly within a few clicks. And this is a generating the AI application based on generative AI, text and images based responses based on user inputs. So when anyone like non-technical person also able to build their AI applications here on this platform, and based on user input will get the AI powered response or a suggestion for text or image based suggestion for any different types of AI application you are able to build. Here are some example, like this is a echo creator, or this is a tour guide, and this is a post podcast application. So here some giving some input, and based on that it is getting the relevant images and text. Here is a tour guide application. Like when we give a this details while generating the app, it will auto generate this kind of like fields. It is taking location, and based on location this is giving us a tour guide, like what are the facts regarding this location. You are able to ask more question to the AI model to get a response from them. So this is a like PartyRock is a generative AI based allow everyone to build their AI application. So let's we build one quick application here. Let's we are I'm going to demonstrate how we can build the application here. Any non-technical person can build this AI application on this PartyRock.aws platform. Say for example we want to build a new application, then we have to go to this PartyRock.aws, and after sign in there by using your Gmail ID, you are able to build your application. So this is a like based on like foundation model from Amazon Bedrock, which is a behind the scenes top of the generative AI. But as a non-technical person, you don't have to worry about that. You are able to play here, like able to build any kind of application, movie recommendation, or a household hacks, or any different kind of things like as per your ideas. So here I am going to build one application. So I am clicking on build your own application. So here we need to give some description what you want to build. So I am in this video I'm going to build a fantasy Dream11 team building application. So Dream11 Cricket Team Builder, we can say we are creating this application. We are asking PartyRock to build this kind of application for us, Dream11 Fantasy Cricket Team Builder. So we giving them a this input, and based on that it will create an application for us. And once application get created, it will get listed on your profile on your my application list. So this is a really great new innovation launch from AWS. So here we have this application. So say for example we build we go here build your own app, and here we write about like we build application for Dream11 team building. So here this say for example this new application get created, Dream11 Cricket Team Builder. So Dream11 Cricket Team Builder application is created. This is an AI application based on generative AI created for us. And here this application is a kind of like AI assistance. Build your fantasy cricket team for Dream11 with AI assistance. So this is a really cool, right? Like you need to give a match information, like for which particular match or which team and where it is, it's on which venue the match is. And there are, if you have any specific criteria suggestion, like you want to get a batting lineup or a bowling lineup or any specific budget, and based on that criteria and match information, this PartyRock generative AI based the platform will give you the Dream11 of your based on AI assistant suggestion. So here I have already put some inputs and taken a snapshot of it. So once you put your input, you are able to take a snapshot and share your application with anyone else. I make this application public, so you are able to access by using this URL. So I'm giving here input on this particular application. So here in match information, I am giving the match is India versus Australia at Narendra Modi Stadium, Ahmedabad, World Cup 2023 final match. It is tomorrow on 19th November 2023, Asia overall this World Cup final measure 2023. So Indian team players, we are giving here Indian team player list, so AI assistant get idea like what are the final playing 11. So team Indian team players list, and we are giving here Australian team player list, final playing 11 team member. This is a match information we are giving. Criteria, if we have any specific criteria, you want to take all more preference to batting lineup or a bowling lineup or any other budgets, then you can pass the detail, otherwise you can put NA. So here it will give you the team suggestion, like this particular AI assistant will generate the team suggestion for you guys. This playing 11 team will be generated here. So this match information we given a where it is the match and what are the different player playing and to get accurate result by AI assistant. So here you can see here is the optimal 11 player fantasy cricket team based on given match detail. Captain should be Virat Kohli, vice captain should be David Warner, and this is the 11 Dream 11 players chosen by this AI assistant generative AI based on some records or past records. This AI model having this Rohit Sharma as a batsman, David Warner as a batsman, Virat Kohli as a batsman, Steve Smith as a batsman. So this is a Surya Kumar Yadav, and as a batsman, this AI assistant suggested this 5 players. As a all-rounder, Ravindra Jadeja and Maxwell suggested as an all-rounder. On bowling lineup, Jasprit Bumrah and Pat, as well as the Misal suggested on bowling lineup. Adam also suggested on bowling lineup. So you can see like it is a balanced team AI model suggested here based on our input of the particular match and team players. And this team is consist of top batsmen from both sides along with best all-rounder bowler based on their recent performance. Kohli and Warner are chosen as a captain and vice captain since they are reliable performer. As balanced team with representation from both team has been selected. So it is kind of like PartyRock generative AI bedrock based playground. We build Dream11 Cricket Team Builder AI application based on match information and your other team criteria. It is giving you the dream team here, right? So here I build this snapshot. You can take snapshot, so it will have a input and whatever the output generated for you. So this way you are able to build any kind of application. So this is a Dream11 Cricket Team Builder application I built by using the this PartyRock AI assistant. So I will put this my snapshot as well as the Dream11 Dream11 Team Builder application link in this video's comment, so you guys can play around with this application, AI assistant application I built. And hope you like this PartyRock. PartyRock is give you the easy way to click and build the application with a single click, and after that you are able to see your application. You are able to remix application by copying it, or you are able to take a snapshot or a share with everyone else, as well as you are able to edit application also, like you are able to edit the application by you are able to add additional widgets, or you are able to change the widgets details, like which particular model you want to use, and what inputs you are getting for this particular widgets. And also this is a like a broader detail as well, but as a non-technical persons, it is a like you it is a fun to play with this PartyRock, and you are able to build any kind of application, whether you want to build your child activity day planning, or any vacation planning, or any location information application, or any um, any recipes relevant application, or anything as per your ideas, you can build it. So play around with this partyrock.aws, and of course this new AI evaluation taking a next step ahead. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to share, like, and subscribe this channel for more such kind of video content. Thank you so much for supporting and watching this video again.